Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel Decor Obsession. Hope you are all well. You will find different designs ideas in this video. The designs I have added to my videos are very trendy these days, and these designs look so beautiful. You can easily have these designs for your choice. Their color combination is also excellent, which has very simple and stylish. These designs look so beautiful and gorgeous. These bridal clutch size looking so beautiful. These diamond clutch size. Their color combination is also excellent, which has very simple and stylish. If you like my video, please let me know in the comments. Your opinion is very important to me. If you are new to my channel, be sure to subscribe my channel. Be sure to press the bell icon. When I upload a new video, you will be the first to be notified. These clutch designs looking so beautiful and gorgeous. These designs are very trendy these days. If you are new to my channel, be sure to press the bell icon and watch, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.